Hi, my name's Kitana Vanpelt. I play for the flag football team for Akron.
How long have you played flag football for?
I played for 2 years.
What is your favorite part about playing flag football?
It's like similar to rugby, so just tackling basically, but not really.
Gotcha. And finally, what is your favorite color?
Baby pink.
Baby pink.
My name is Tony Consiglio. I'm a catcher and pitcher for Akron Varsity Baseball.
How's your season going so far?
Really good so far. We're overall 3-2 and undefeated in league.
What's your biggest accomplishment this season?
I would say hitting 2 home runs in our first game.
Finally, what is your favorite food?
I'm gonna have to go with steak.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.